Today we have a video from Police Cam Briefs, and the title of the video is "Woman Panics as Routine Stop Suddenly Leads to Multiple Charges."
At first, it seemed like nothing more than a routine warning to leave a no trespassing property late at night. But once the woman began avoiding questions and refusing to provide her information, the situation quickly took a turn. Within minutes, what started as a simple encounter turned into a tense struggle, revealing that she may not have just been in the wrong place at the wrong time, but may also have been trying to avoid something much bigger.
Okay. Well, either way, you guys can't be on the property. There's no trespassing signs up, so.
Sorry, we're just trying to do the light.
If I pay for the area right there.
Uh-huh.
If I pay for the area, is it cool?
Huh?
If I pay for the area, is it cool?
Well, no, they don't want anybody on the property overnight.
Oh, I thought that's what the gas, the area.
I think they turned the, yeah, that's still on, but they turn out. Okay, great, let's go.
Do you guys have an ID on you? Or you guys,
Sorry.
you already know? You've been through this plenty of times, huh? Hold on, you guys aren't free to leave. I'm asking for your information.
What are we doing?
You're trespassing, so I have enough to detain you. So
Okay, yes, sir.
Put your bike down.
Okay.
Stop trying to run off. Put your bike down. Put it down.
It's kind of like.
Put it up against the window. You guys already know you're not supposed to be here, and now you want to run off.
I honestly didn't know.
Okay,
sir.
well,
I
there's
was just
signs.
through the light.
Yes, there is. There's signs. Go ahead, look around. Look, I'll point one out to you right here. Look, come here. Right here. What does that say? The red and white sign right here.
See, the old Tom and the gray, he know what time it is, man. He cool. But these other two, something not right with them.
You know what? No trespassing, right?
Yeah, but
All right, cool. Come back over here. No, it doesn't matter.
I'll pay for something.
That has nothing to do with it. No, it doesn't. What's your name?
Can I get my phone? I'm gonna record.
No. What's your name?
Felicia.
Felicia what?
Peters.
Okay. I know why you're running away.
Where's my phone at?
Yeah, I know why you're running away.
Oh, I know. I just found out today, but
Nope,
they said
nope,
I'm going to court
nope.
tomorrow.
Nope.
What?
Oh, she got a warrant.
Go ahead. Place
But
your
I
hands
got
behind
my
your back.
paperwork. I
No,
promise you.
I don't care. Place your hands behind your back.
Why?
Take this off.
Okay.
Can you take this off?
Yeah. Can you guys take it off, please? Take it off.
Put your hands behind. Stop.
No!
Stop.
No!
Stop.
Get off of me!
Stop. Stop. Stop.
He ain't going nowhere.
No. Stop.
Why are you doing this to me?
Because I know you have a warrant. Stop.
Yeah, but I'm going to court
No.
tomorrow!
Stop.
They told me!
Stop.
They told me!
Relax. Stop. Stop.
I wonder if in her mind she thinks like she has a great chance of escaping right now.
Stop. Stop.
Okay.
Relax. I wasn't even gonna run you. Relax. Come over here. No. Come over here. Relax. Relax. Take a seat. Take a seat. Okay, take a seat. Take a seat, Felicia. If you work with me, I'll work with you. Take a seat.
I'm going tomorrow.
Okay, hey, listen. Work with me, I'll work with you. All right, can we do that? Can we be grown adults? Okay, I'm still gonna have to place you in cuffs. All right, so just relax.
Why?
Are you gonna relax? Are you gonna relax? No, I'm not. If you work with me, I'll work with you. Relax.
I don't.
Okay, place your hands behind your back. I understand. Place your hands behind your back, and we'll figure it out. Can we do that?
You said you were gonna take me. How are you gonna work it out? I told you I was
on my bike.
I ain't gonna lie, the ladies are amazing at that. They are amazing at that. I ain't gonna lie to you. That crying, like the crying sounds without actual tears. I ain't gonna lie, they got that down packed. I don't know how they do that, man. The whole, yeah, that they got that thing down packed. They got that down to a science right there. They all do it.
I'm not hunting on purpose.
Listen, it doesn't matter. I told you guys to kick rocks over there at the speedway, and you guys came over here to another spot that says no trespassing.
I'm sorry, I didn't see.
There's signs posted all over the place.
I didn't see it. I was just trying to have him pop up my bike.
Okay, well, you could do that on the sidewalk. You could do that at the bus stop. There's other places you can do that.
I didn't know.
You guys chose to do it here at the gas station. Can I place you in cuffs? If you take off on me, I'm going to grab you and I'm going to throw you down to the ground. I do not care. I do not care.
I know.
Okay? I will. I will use force on you if you run away from me. So do not do that. Can I place you in cuffs?
Are you going to work with me?
Yes. Can I place you in cuffs?
Yes.
Do not run away, Felicia. I'm giving you this one warning and one warning only. If you take off on me, I'm going to use force on you. I do not care, okay? Do not take off on me.
Why am I being in cuffs, though?
Because I have prior knowledge, okay? Like you said, too. You have the paperwork. What did they tell you for court?
I went in today and I got my thing notarized.
Where?
At the municipal court.
You want to put your jacket on before
I didn't have it.
You want to put your jacket on before I do this?
Yes, and I got it notarized, and that's when they told me that I had to go to court tomorrow.
I'll hold this right here, but you can use your hand.
I had a bad day.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
I don't want to be in trouble already.
Felicia, but you made a set of you made some choices that are going to cost you way down the line.
I know, and I don't want to be.
Why would you not? Why would you do that then?
I don't know.
She tried taking off on me. Is there another dude there besides this guy? It's on backwards.
On the other side?
Yeah.
You take off too, or?
What's your friend's name? The other
I
guy.
don't know. He just was helping me. I got kicked out tonight, and I just have nowhere to go. They were just helping me.
Put your jacket on forward. It's on backwards. Do you want your stuff to go with this guy? Do you know this guy or no?
What guy?
This guy right here in the gray jacket.
You just said you weren't gonna arrest me.
No, but I'm saying if I do, are you okay with him taking your stuff?
I don't know him.
You don't know him? So you want me to take your stuff and put it in the station?
I don't know what I have in my bag. Just my purse. You know, I have my personal stuff in there.
So you want me to take it or no? Do you want me to call a female officer?
I have pliers. I forgot about that.
You have 2 pairs of pencil?
Yeah, I got cold and I got kicked out.
Okay. Where were you staying at?
My boyfriend's mom's house.
And she kicked you out? What for?
We got into a fight finally.
Yeah. When? Today?
No, like,
Yesterday?
that's why I have a court on the first one.
Well, you have court for multiple reasons, girl.
Multiple reasons.
You be stealing from the Target up there.
Oh, that's the shoplifting one. That was the one I was going to court for tomorrow.
And then you want to stay right here and try and take off from me. I couldn't even key up to call for help.
See, that's how you know she full of it. Talking about, I was scared. Listen, this sound like to me you a career criminal. You know the deal. You ain't scared, okay? You know, maybe if it was your first time getting locked up, okay. All right, we understand. All right. First time, yeah, it could be a, traumatic event. You don't know who's going to be in there. You might have to go run in there and meet Big Bertha. She been in there for a while, waiting on you, fresh meat. Now that's understandable. But you, career criminal, you know the deal. All of them know the deal. All of them that was there. Now, why you think the old timer, he like, oh yeah, all right, here you go, man. He get an ID, sit there, just wait. Her and the other one, shady as hell, man.
I was literally trying to fight you. You were yanking away from me. I literally almost just picked you up and put you down on the ground. Literally. Okay? You made this
Wasting
10
your
times more
breath with
difficult
her,
than
man.
you need it to
Come
be.
on.
What's the point that you're just taking me anyway?
I'm gonna have to, because they've been looking for you.
I'm going to court tomorrow. I promise you. They told me to go today. All my paperwork's in my bag.
Okay, well, I just know that they've been looking for
I
you.
notarized. Okay, so I had court
And
the
you've had
20th.
3 separate occasions where you've stolen from the Target.
I have court on the.
Okay, is there
I
anything
had
else in
court
your
on
pockets?
the 20th, and they told me to go in tomorrow.
I don't know, I haven't read
I
it
just
yet.
found out today. I went to
Felicia
court on the
Peters? That's why.
21st, and they didn't turn in the paperwork until the
let me run here real
24th.
Alright, take a seat. Hey, all this stuff I can't enter into the detention center, okay? So I'm just gonna have to throw it away.
What is it?
It's your lighter, the pocket knife, or not pocket knife, but the box cutter, the straw, and then whatever this, pepper spray? Or whatever this is.
Can I put it in my bag?
No, the guy already took off with your bag.
So I'm going to jail?
Yeah, you have a warrant out for your arrest.
Yeah, but you told me you'd work with me, and they told me you'd barely
So,
stay, and I was going to court tomorrow.
Here's the thing. I am going to work with you. I'll only take you in for the warrant. I'm not going to charge you with resisting. I could charge you with resisting, and it could be an additional charge. But I'm only going to take you in on the warrant, okay? So we'll just leave it at that, all right?
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
All this stuff's going to have to be thrown away, though, okay?
What began as a simple trespassing warning quickly turned into a tense arrest, showing how fast.
Yeah. Yeah. They should let the other guy go. The guy that gave up his ID, they should let him go, man. He patiently was waiting and everything, I'm like, all right, here's your warning. Get out of here. All right. Don't come back over here at night. You know you can't be over here. Get out of here. All right. That's how I would do it. I ain't gonna lie. Because he was the only one that was decent. The other guy, he walked off. We didn't see him the rest of the video. The one in the gray, he was decent. Get out of here, man. Go ahead. But yeah, it's bad when they know when the cops know you on a first name basis. When they know your name ring bells in the cop's mind. He knew immediately. Once she said the name, he said, "Oh, I know why you running." Put your hand behind back. It's just career criminal, man. Gotta get it together, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.